A shirt in 3 colors photographed 3 times. Stock WooCommerce makes you open each variation to attach its photo. Here you attach all 3 before the product even exists. Name and base price. One axis is enough for this. Color, with red, blue, and green. Generate, and there are the 3 variations. Now the part this video is about. Give each variation its own image, and a strip appears with 1 slot per color. Click a slot, and the normal WordPress media library opens. Pick the red shirt for red. Blue, then green. 3 photographs, 3 clicks, no variation forms opened. Save, and each variation is created with its own image already attached. Here's the proof on the real product page. Pick a color, and the photograph changes with it. That is native WooCommerce. We only filled in the field it was always reading. Need a whole gallery per color instead of 1 photo? That is what the Pro add-on adds. Quick variable products, free on WordPress.org. Link in the description.